This is Maiden. She was built in 1979.
Maiden has made a name for herself, and soon she will bring her inspiring story to the Bay.
It's unbelievable how things have changed.
There she is.
The 58-foot Maiden carried the first all-female crew in the Whitbread round-the-world race in 1989 and 90, skippered by Tracy Edwards from the United Kingdom.
She wasn't accepted as a sailor, being a woman on a crew. So the only way she was ever going to get on a boat was being a cook. And she'd actually done the race as a cook.
Headlines show Edwards had to fight the norm, but she got a sponsor.
They had so little money, and then King Hussein stepped in and sponsored them with his airlines, Jordanian Airlines.
This was his line: with faith, honor, and courage, anything is possible.
And she assembled a 12-person crew of all women, racing for 7 months, sailing nearly 33,000 miles. The story was featured in a documentary after Edwards and her team won 2 of the toughest legs on the course and came in second overall.
After the race, she was sold. What Tracy had done is she mortgaged her flat to buy the boat, and then she mortgaged the boat to do the refit. So the only way she could pay back everything was to sell the boat.
She ended up in a marina in the Seychelles in Africa.
She was basically left to rot.
So Edwards and her daughter raised money and brought her back to life in 2016. She was relaunched and began to travel the world again in 2018, this time with a new crew as a charity known as the Maiden Factor.
What message do you hope that they walk away with?
All of us on board hope to deliver the message that it's very possible for girls to be in the industry.
I hope they walk away believing in themselves a little bit more, and believing that they are good enough and that they can do what they want to do. Just follow their dreams and believe that anything is possible.
Maiden will arrive at City Dock in Annapolis on May 17th at 11 a.m., where the crew will have schools and other organizations come to visit, and then it will travel to Nauticus in Virginia. If you're interested, Community Coordinator Louise Brown says you can reach out to the Maiden Factor online. For Chesapeake Bay Media's Bay Bulletin, I'm Cheryl Costello.